Hello, welcome back to Rainy Day Bakery. Today we're going to be making biscuits. You'll need 120 grams of flour, 50 grams of sugar, 30 grams of milk, 70 grams of butter and 2 grams of baking powder. Put all the ingredients except the milk into a bowl and use your clean hands to mix them. Next, put the milk into the dough and keep mixing. Now roll it until it's flat. Cut the flat dough into the shapes that you'd like. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius and bake your biscuits for 15 minutes. Enjoy!